Alright, hi everyone. Finally found somewhere quiet. So, this is going to be our second question in our chapter 5, higher level IB mathematics review. So it asks us, it tells us that the function f prime, the inverse of, not inverse, the derivative f is given by f prime x equals 2 sine 5x minus pi over 2. Write down the second derivative of x. So we're just going to do the derivative of x. So second derivative of x equals, 2 is a constant, so we put 2 sine 5x minus pi over 2. The derivative of that would equal cosine of whatever that follows, 5x minus pi over 2. We'll have to multiply by the derivative inside the parentheses. So that is 5 minus pi over 2. Pi over 2 is a constant, so it's just 5. So I get here just 10 cosine 5x minus pi over 2. That was okay. Now, given that f of pi over 2 equals 1, find f of x. Well, we get the derivative of x already. So in order to find the antiderivative, we have to put f of x equals the words squiggly s sign, antiderivative of f prime x dx. Alright, so that equals negative 2 over 5 cosine 5x minus pi over 2, which is what we have right here, plus c. And the reason we do plus c is because the derivative of x plus 2 is the same as the derivative of x plus 3, because the c portion is a constant. So there's no derivative of that. So in order to find the c portion, we need to substitute to find c. So f prime pi over 2, we need to substitute a coordinate. So we're already given the x coordinate, which is pi over 2. So f of pi over 2 equals negative 2 over 5 cosine 5, plug in pi over 2, minus pi over 2, plus c. And that equals negative 2 over 5 cosine 4 pi over 2, or 4 times pi over 2, not 4 pi over 2, plus c, which equals negative 2/5 cosine 2 pi plus c. Cosine 2 pi is the same as cosine 0, which is just 1. That's just negative 2/5. I think I'm getting this wrong. Plus, we set that equal to 1. Because f of x, f of pi over 2 equals 1. As we could see when we plug it in. F, oh, scratch that. That wasn't what I was saying. Okay. So again, so negative 2/5 plus c equals 1. Therefore, c equals 1 plus 2/5, which is 5/5 plus 2/5, that's 7/5. We get c equals 7/5. So, our equation f of x equals our antiderivative, negative 2/5 cosine 5x minus pi over 2, plus c, which we got as 7,